I'm Gowtham, presently Research Scholar, Department of Earthquake Engineering, IIT Roorkee. I completed my BE in Civil Engineering from SNS College of Engineering in the year 2015. After that, I cleared my GATE examination and joined as ME Scholar at Government College of Technology. I did my coursework in GCT and 1 year of project training at CSIR Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee. After that, I joined as a research scholar in Soil Dynamics branch at IIT Roorkee. I personally feel it is as my second home. In that, where I have learned all my extracurricular active skills. The faculties over here are well focused, and they are training and guiding students in a very right manner. The labs available in SNS College of Engineering and Civil Department are well established and the state of art. The labs like strength of materials, soil mechanics lab, and computer labs are fully furnished and focused. Many research softwares and equipments are available for upgrading the students to higher levels. Presently, our department has signed MOU with foreign universities like University of Mara, Malaysia and Mayo. The students here are undergoing technical trainings and research trainings in those universities, which helps the students to upgrade their skills and for global competition. The students are given a motivation and enough guidance to clear examinations like GATE and Indian Engineering Services. So it helps the students to get higher positions. And not only that, the many wings are here, and recently Indian Geotechnical Society student chapter has inaugurated, which helps the students to undergo some practical problems in the field of geotechnical engineering. So these faculties are guiding the students in a very good manner, and the students are getting very good placements in the very top reputed companies like L&T. So this is what the present status of our department, which helps the students to grow. Apart from that, faculties are very friendly, and recently our institute has attained the status of autonomy, which shows the reputation of the institute. So Department of Civil Engineering was started in the year 2011. From since then, the department has the highest reputation in providing consultancy services to various projects in and around Coimbatore. Many research project has been taken. As of now, the head of the department has granted funding of around 3 lakhs from the Department of Science and Technology, which is a flagship of our department, which moving towards the research and development. So many other faculty members are keenly associated. Many are doing their doctoral programs under Anna University, and many faculties are motivated to take up research projects, consultancies, and many students here are taking up courses like in NPTEL Swayam, which rise the standards of the student to greater extent. So with this, I like to conclude that our department is giving a high class teaching space, and the students to motivate to achieve in a greater heights. So with this, I will welcome all the freshers to our department for come up with flying colors. Thank you.